If you had to choose one, where would you invest? Bhuvanagiri or maybe Kartal? How about Chotupal or Shadnagar? Even Gajpel or Narsapur? 6 different locations, but one crucial decision. Let me take you through the story of 2 different buyers and the difference a little research can make. Back in 2015 to 2020, everyone had eyes on the Bhuvanagiri Yadadri stretch. The buzz around the Yadadri temple development sparked a buying frenzy. My friend was one of them. He bought land with high hopes, but years later, he's still waiting for a resale. But the reality, the stretch did shine, but only up to a point. We are not dismissing the Warangal highway. But in reality, some investments carried more risk than reward. That moment changed the way we approach investments. It's not about good location. It's about choosing the right segment at the right time with the right plan. So we began our search not for hype, but for clarity. Between ORR exit 14 and ORR exit 15, a rare corridor caught our attention. It wasn't shouting, it was quietly preparing. This stretch had it all. Commercial use zones, manufacturing use zones, reserve forest buffers, public utility zones, and peri-urban areas. And the best part, 75% of the surrounding locality was marked residential. And right in the heart of it, just 3.5 kilometers from Maheshwaram, sat a venture that made us pause. This wasn't just another plot venture. This is a 90-acre gated community with HMDA and RERA approval located in R2 zone. Existing 65 feet road, proposed 100 feet road, and a 150 feet wide road right through the layout. Imagine this, a 60 feet grand entrance road with a 100 feet corridor facing the venture with a 150 feet main line defining the project's future. This was not just a land, it was a plan. It offered 1029 plots ranging from 181 to 2447 square yards. With only 57% plotted area, the rest went into creating a world-class living space. A 33,000 square feet clubhouse, 2.25 acre central park, and 14 themed parks. You have got gazebos, kids play area, basketball court, tennis court, fire pit, BBQ zone, and even a pickleball court. This was not just buying land, this was building life. What's inside the clubhouse? Everything you didn't know you needed. Grand banquet halls, swimming pool and guest rooms, senior city lounges, gym, library and indoor games, yoga, meditation and daycare, cafeteria, ATM and supermarkets, even a co-working space and a mini theatre. Some ask, will these beautiful developments last or disappear until an owners association takes over? Well, that's a fair question. So here is the answer. This venture comes with a 5-year professional maintenance policy. So every park, pathway and promise stays polished long before even the first committee is formed. See, emotions can mislead, but logic that keeps your investment solid. Luxury villa projects are already placed in the neighborhood and wide roads giving unbeatable access. This is not a trend, it's a future in the making. Let's face it, real estate is long term. Let's not follow the hype. Let's follow the planning, the zoning and the vision. So if you're thinking beyond trends and if you want an investment with heart and head, and if this project fits your map, then reach out to us. Because smart investors don't shout, they're quietly waiting for those who listen. Thanks for listening to the story. Signing off until the next story.